How to change your currency on Facebook Marketplace. What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily change your currency on Facebook Marketplace. So the first thing that you want to do is open your web browser that is available to you, and on the search bar you're going to search for facebook.com. Once you search for it, make sure to log into your account. So as you can see right here is my Facebook. So I have already logged into my account. Now, on the left side of your screen, you can see different tabs right here. But before we go any further, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you've subscribed, it would help us out a lot. So don't forget to turn on the bell icon as well. Alright, so on the left side of your screen, you will see these different tabs right here. What you want to find is orders and payments. So Marketplace is right here. If you click on see more, you can see different options like Ad Manager, Birthday, Climate Science Center, Crisis Response, Events, and if you scroll down a bit, you will see orders and payments. Just click on it. This will take you to your orders and payments section on your Facebook, which is also linked with your Facebook Marketplace. And you will see your payment infos right here, your card details, your delivery info. And on the left side of your screen, you will see this settings icon. Just click on it and you will see this currency. So just click on it, and right now it's by default on USD. So just click on the drop down and you can choose from any of these available currencies. But you have to note that once you change it, you can only change it once every 72 hours. So choose it wisely when you do this. So if I just scroll up, you can see all of these options from A to Z. You can choose whichever you want. So let's say if I want to choose this Singaporean dollars, I'm going to choose it and click on save. And now all of my marketplace details will be on Singaporean dollars. If you found the video helpful, hit like and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.